Hi guys, it's Camper Van Barry here and I'm at Lowdham's, the home of camper vans and motorhomes here in the Nottingham area. And we have got a treat for you today. The brand new Swift Monza is here with us. Yeah, we've got our camper van extravaganza weekend coming up the 21st, 22nd and 23rd of June 2024. In there will be the star of the show, the new Swift Monza. We have the Swift Trekker and a Swift Trekker X here as well, along as all the Carrera range. We've got Def Lefts, we've got Malibus, we've got Heimers. They're all here for you to see with some great deals on. So come and see us. In the meantime, let's show you the new Swift Monza. Now the new Monza comes with 19-inch alloy wheels. Lovely design, really stand out and really do set the vehicle off lovely. Now we're at the rear of the vehicle. Now the good thing about these seats, you can slide them all the way forward, give you a massive estate boot. If you want to use it as a day-to-day vehicle, or you can slide it back and have a good sized living area if you're having a games night or having the food in. Speaking of games nights and food, we've got the table which just unclips here. It's a freestanding one, so the legs just pull down like this, unhook the 4 clips and you are ready to go. Good sturdy table, and being freestanding as well, you can have it outside as well, so you're not just trying to have it inside, you can have it lengthways, widthways, you know, so you've got that versatility, whereas a fixed table, you've not got that. So great little feature on the Monza. A 12-volt socket just here. Underneath we've got where your fresh water goes in, and then you've got 40-litre fresh tank and a 29-litre waste tank. Gas locker on the other side. We've got your 25-metre cable in your shower hose in there, but that will house a 6-kilogram bottle. And then above here we've got some more storage. And a handy 3-pin socket at the back there, just in case you need to plug anything in at the rear. Like electric barbecue. Speaking of barbecue, on the outside point, we did mention you have got your external barbecue socket just here. Now width-wise, the new Monza is longer than its predecessor. It is now 5 metres and 5 centimetres compared to the 4 metres 97 of the old one. So you've got that little bit of extra room. Plenty more space inside, it seems, as well, just from that bit. Width-wise, we're looking at 2 metres 15 with the wing mirrors folded in. So not much difference on the width, a couple of centimetres. And you've got parking sensors. They're both on the front, as you can just see just there. And you've got the rear, as well as that lovely rear view camera, which links up to the great big screen we've got inside the vehicle, which we'll come to in a few moments' time. Right guys, let's have a look inside the new Swift Monza. So first thing you notice from the other one, the step has now gone, so there's no getting problems with that. It's just nice and simple. In we come. And the first thing that instantly strikes you is the LED strips all the way down the centre of the vehicle. They go right the way through into the rear as well, into the boot area. Lovely designed new seats as well. Lovely soft half leather. Got the Monza written into the fabric as well. Really are finished nicely. And you've got height adjust on there, you've got the rake as well for the back of the chairs, and they're both captain's chairs, so they both will spin round. The rear seats, you've got 3 of them as well, so it will travel 5 and it will sleep 4. Just like the old one, but just finished absolutely lovely. They've kept some of the good features the first one had as well, just replacing them. So great big drawer for storage underneath the rear bench seat. Now onto the sleeping arrangements. The top roof bed. We just simply grab this down here and you can see you've got a great big amount of space going all the way around. Underneath the memory foam batteries you can see you've got the Foley springs there, and you've got a safety net at the front you can pin up, so if you're worried about anyone falling out, it's nice and simple just to attach that up and you've got no fear for the kids. Now measurements for the upstairs bed, it is 6'6" in length and 3'10" in width, and it can sleep someone, it'll hold up to 200 kilos in weight as well, so that's quite a lot of weight you can get up here. It's easily 2 fully grown adults, and so nice and easy to put away when you're done. And when it's not night time, you've got this lovely LED light going all the way around. So if you want to come up here, just have a nice bit of quiet time, do some reading, get the iPad out, what a great space to do it in. And you've got the lovely view all the way around for while you're there. As you can see, lots of storage just above the kitchen area there, 2 nice deep drawers. If I go into here for you, we can see just how good they are. Good strong spring mechanism as well, so they ain't going to come loose while you are driving. And you've got another LED all the way around the vehicle. So giving it plenty of light inside. Moving down into the kitchen area itself. Nice sink. And a 2-burner hob from Dometic. As you can see, lots of storage just above the kitchen area there, 2 nice deep drawers. If I go into here for you, we can see just how good they are. Good strong spring mechanism as well, so they ain't going to come loose while you are driving. And you've got another LED all the way around the vehicle. So giving it plenty of light inside. Now for your kitchen, you've got the Dometic sink and 2-burner hob as well. Nice and easy controls on then, and a lovely finish. And speaking of lovely finishes, just look at the curves here. The new Monza styling across there, and the contrast on the cupboards just really gives it a really nice finish. Now your control panel has been upgraded as well, a lot easier to use. So if you want your lights on, just press the buttons and all the old... I'm going to turn them off just so we don't get the reflection on the screen there, but the dimmer you can do as well. Now you can either go across to the next menu or back to your home, and we'll go to the power one. So here you can see your vehicle battery, so your actual 4-bit, tells you your ampage, voltage, sorry, current. We are charging now the leisure battery, so we're at 14 amps on that, volts, sorry. And we'll move across again, back to your vehicle one. Now we'll move across this time. So water level, so we've got 25% fresh water in there. Turn the pump on, just press the button there, and the waste is empty. And then finally our environmental controls. Got the internal temperature at 22 degrees, internal humidity 45%, and external 20 degrees as well. But all nice and easy to do from one easy panel. Now under that we've got the Eberspacher diesel heating. So if I press the button there, we can turn that on. Nice and easy. Now this is not all powered up yet because it's all undescribable, but ever so easy to use. Just twist and turn where you want it to go. Set your temperature, set your time, and it's as good as that. You've just got to make sure you've got at least 1/4 tank of diesel in there for it to work, otherwise you will get an error message on there. Under that we've got your 3-pin socket, but you've got to be hooked up to mains for that to work. And then we've got 2 USBs underneath. They're both USB-A 5-volt ones, so nice and handy. Now your windows, we've now got the blackout blinds just pulled down there instead of the curtains on the old one. If I pull these up, you've got your fly screens as well. Now being a modern age, we're not short of USB sockets. There's another 2 on this side as well. So anyone travelling the back, they've got 4 sockets between them. Charging the iPad, the phone's not going to be a problem. Now this is quite exciting. We have now got the all new digital cockpit. So everything is all digital in front of you. One big screen, and then you've got another even bigger screen over here for your entertainment, your navigation, your rear view camera, and of course you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as well. Now we'll just do a quick run through the infotainment panel so you can have a quick look at its features. Navigation will appear there because we're inside the showroom and it's not been through the workshop yet. This one's not configured, set up yet. We've got digital radio, so if I go to the screen there, obviously the volume's turned down at the minute. You can pick your stations on there. If I go to sources, you can swap between Bluetooth audio, FM or digital. We'll come back onto that one. Back to the home. And then you've got you can add your phone for Bluetooth connectivity. You can even get apps. If I go to the app screen there, you can see you've got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You can even find more apps as well if you want to. Any that are compatible with a Ford Pass app you can get on your phone, which gives you extra features you can do as well, like find your car, sound the horn, flash your lights so you can find it if you need to. Settings screen there, you can easily get to add your phone if you want to add another phone to the vehicle. Change features on your display, navigation, clock, vehicle itself. If we go into the vehicle settings, so you can change it like key detection, rear occupant alert, loads of features you can whiz up and down on there and change. So if you want the wipers a certain sense, so you want to turn off rain sensing or put the rear wiper on when you're in reverse, you can customize it exactly how you want the vehicle. If we go to features there, we've got different drive modes you can have on the vehicle. So you've got normal for your everyday driving, eco, a more environmentally friendly drive, which will save you a bit on your fuel, but it won't be as responsive. Sport mode, if you're pulling away out onto a junction or onto a motorway and you want to make sure you got that go, that'll give you a bit more go. Of slippery conditions, and even if you're towing as well, you can change those on there, so it makes it easier and more responsive when you're towing. If I come back out of here, even got your owner's manual now because it's all digital, so you can load up and look at the exact features on there, and then back into your settings, as I say, you can change what you want onto there. If you do want to change your drive mode without going into the computer, you have got the button just here to do that as well. Electronic handbrake, nicely placed in the centre of the vehicle, so easy access there, but I think this one will come off when you drive away, and when you turn the car off it will put itself back on as well. Under here we've got 2 cup holders, so nice and easy access for those. And just down a bit lower, you can see there we've got a USB-A and a USB-C and a 12-volt socket just next to that. And remember guys, if you do like what you're seeing, please drop a like on a video and hit that subscribe button. And if you like more updates, I'm dropping more and more videos all the time. Let me know what videos you want to see and I'll happily get them done for you. Yeah, thanks for watching.